Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to DURGASOFT online training and welcome to logic based programming course. Okay, so myself K Prakash Babu, having almost 13 years of experience in various technologies and programming languages. Here we are going to start a new batch on logic based programming. Logic based programming. Sir, in short form, I will refer this as LBP, but this is the 8th batch. That's why LBP 8 is nothing but our title of the course. Before moving to the course details, I think everyone know. So this course is at 10 o'clock every day, Monday to Friday. Every day 10 o'clock session will be there. Okay. So 10 to 11, 1 hour duration. Every day the class will be there except on weekends. The duration of the course is nothing but 3 months duration. Total you are going to get 350 plus programs. Actually in the title you have given 300, but max 320 programs you are going to cover. 320 programs will be there. Sir, all these programs we are going to implement in C language, okay, and Java programming. In the Java programming also we will implement, and even in the Python programming language also we are going to implement. So all these implementations will be provided in these three languages. Implementations will be there in C, Java, and Python. But anyway, we are giving one more option for you. That is nothing but you can implement the program even in C++ also. But I won't give implementation in C++. You can implement the program in C++, no problem at all. Okay, so this is nothing but I will give Rohit, please wait. So this is nothing but what is the course thing that we are going to cover. The fees for this course is rupees 2000, rupees 2000. So including sir videos and running notes. Sir, these videos will be, you can able to view the videos, that's all. You can't able to download, just you can able to watch these videos. For this you can contact 9246, okay, then sir 212143 number, you can contact to this number if you want to get admission into this particular course. This is nothing but about course details, sir. Okay, for what kind of students this course is recommended, for what kind of students this course is recommended. So before moving to that, someone is asking, sir, what is the prerequisite, okay, for this course? Very simple, sir. Compulsory compulsory so you should have a knowledge, compulsory. So you should have idea about programming languages. Programming language, any one language is sufficient. Sir, I know C language, can I join this course? Yes, happily. Parallelly you are going to learn Java and Python also, I can give the assurance. Okay, at least fundamentals, not in detail. Sir, I know C++, is it recommended? Sir, recommended, but sir, better to refer, okay, better to refer C, C and join. Okay, sir, I know Java. Sir, you can give 100% happily you can join. Sir, I know Python. Yes, no problem, 200% you can join into the course. Have you observed? If I know C language, yes, you can join. C++, refer the any programming languages like C and then join. Sir, I know Java and Python, no problem. Sir, that too, complete idea about the programming language is not required, sir. Only fundamentals, okay, fundamentals of programming is sufficient. Sir, what topics we are going to use in this particular programming, just at outline I am giving, sir. Okay, sir, first, variable declarations. Variable declarations we will use. Okay, initializations we will use. You must have idea about these things. Data types what you are going to use. So next and after that, operators what you are using. Then sir, control flow statements like if conditions, selection statements. Okay, so next and after that, looping statements, you must have a idea about this. So next and after that, sir, compulsory arrays and strings concept you should aware, because majority of our programs, okay, if you take 100 programs, sir, 70% of programs will be on arrays and strings only. Okay, so next and after that, sir, after completion of this, you must have a idea about sir, data structures. Light idea about data structure is sufficient, not in detail. Data structure means organizing organizing the data. Okay, how you can able to sort, how you can able to search, that basic idea is sufficient, sir. Okay, then sir, that's all, max these concepts are sufficient, sir. Even sir, thinking of logics and implementing the logics also very very important, sir. This is comes under fundamentals, object oriented, all these things are not required. Okay, if you know all these things, better you can join this logic based programming course. Definitely it will be helpful, not only for students or not only for the people who are working in the company, for everyone it will be benefitable, sir. So non IT background, I can't give guarantee, but if you want to come to software industry or IT industry, or if you want to crack any IT job, yes, 200% this course will be useful, sir. Sir, now what kind of benefit you are going to get with this? Okay, sir, very simple. The main agenda of launching this course, the main agenda of launching this course is nothing but, sir, do you know nowadays, because of these pandemic situations, because of these 3 years, okay, sir, 2021, 2020, sir, 2019, 2020, 21, 22, like this we can take. Sir, in these years, we know very well, because of this COVID, sir, almost everything goes to online. I think even the people, the students, the working employees are showing towards interest. So only for this online, offline, almost those days are gone. But there are 10% or 20% students will be there. Sir, no, I want to learn from the blackboard. Okay, but the way of approach is very very good in the online, sir. Okay, see, if you are getting practical knowledge through this online, it will be benefitable, right? Instead of attending a theory class, practicing, so simultaneously you can watch both the things. Okay, sir, keeping all these things as an aspect, company people have introduced a kind of assessments. So they are keeping the assessments through online. CTS, TCS, Wipro, any company, any MNC company, if you take, they are conducting, sir, evaluation. They want to evaluate the students, sir, based on their skills. They need to provide different designations. For that, the evaluation mechanism came to online. Especially, I'm not talking about English or aptitude reasoning or any other verbal ability. So any other things, any other n number of factors are there. I'm not talking about all these factors, sir. I'm talking about, okay, I'm talking about coding skills are very very important. So if you want to join into any MNC company, or some people may use programming skills, these are very very important or not? Yes, compulsory. As a professional, if you want to enter, minimum 80% of knowledge must be required in coding skills. So what these company people are doing is, they are going to give some time duration, 40 minutes. 40 minutes, I will give 3 questions. Sir, you have to solve at least 2 questions in this 3. Sir, in the previous days, they will give paper and pen. So you have to sit in the seminar hall and you have to write the examination for the programming. Later, they will collect the papers and they are going to verify is there any mistake or not. Sir, n number of things are happening. Suppose if one instruction is failed, okay, of course, if one instruction is wrong, sir, simply they are allowing you to pass. Okay, but that situation gone, sir. Now coding skills means you have to practice the programs, okay, in an online tool. They have n number of tools are there, like HackerRank, HackerEarth. So n number of online tools are there. So metal tools, like this we have n number of them. Every company inbuilt having such type of tools. Okay, sir, what is that tool? What things we have to do in that tool? Just they will give problem statement. They will give problem statement. You have to read this problem statement minimum 2 to 3 times. Even if the program is very easy, sir, please read the problem statement minimum 2 to 3 times. You have to read the problem statement. Then, sir, you have to understand what is the logic behind. What is the logic behind the problem? Okay, you have to understand what is the logic behind the problem. Next, sir, you have to analyze. So you have to analyze the test cases. There will be some test cases will be given. Suppose, sir, I want to write addition of two numbers program. They will give 2 and 1 as a input, means their expected output is 3. So if input is 2 and 2, their expected output is 4. Input is 0 and 4, their expected output is 4. So like this, they are giving these test cases in advance for you. So before the problem statement itself, I mean after the problem statement, they will provide these test cases. You need to understand this problem statement, logic behind that problem, and also these test cases. Oh, they are asking addition of two numbers. So what is the formula that we have to use? We need to read the first number, then we have to read the second number, then plus operator is used. Plus operator is used because they are talking about integers. Data type is integer. Variable, we have to use two variables, x and y. Initialization is not required because we are giving the values. Okay, so we have to take these two numbers, then we have to perform addition operation, then we have to print that result. Suppose if 2 and 1, is our application is working properly or not? If you get 3 as your answer, yes, your application is working properly. Okay, like you have to understand the test cases. If these three things are clear, then we are ready to provide implementation for the program. Okay, then we have to do which one, sir? Implementation. So if you want to implement, sir, programming language must be required. You must have minimum idea in C, Java and Python. Sir, I will implement in all these three languages. If you know at least one programming language, no problem, happily you can continue. Okay, then, sir, after completion of this, we will submit the program. Sir, I told some test cases will be there, right? In these three test cases are visible to the user, but some hidden test cases will be there. In this logic based programming challenges, we are giving 9 test cases for every program. Okay, so you must satisfy all the 9 test cases, then you will get 1 point, sir. Okay, you have to satisfy all the 9 test cases, we will get 1 point. Suppose, sir, I got only 8 test cases, 0.85 points you are going to get. Okay, sir, I got okay, I got 0 or 5 test cases or 4 test cases I got, then some 0.52 or 51 points you are going to get. Sir, I'm not passing any test case, then what will happen? 0.00 points you are getting. So like this, for every program I have given 1 point. After completion of this course, if I am teaching 320 programs for you people, if you are practicing all the programs and if you are securing 300 plus points, sir, please make sure you are very good programmer. We can able to give that assurance. Okay, so after preparation of these things, happily you can able to attend any kind of interviews also. Okay. Okay, so that kind of confident level you can able to get. Sir, you are telling everything virtually, it is okay, but what tool you are going to use? Sir, we have HackerRank tool is there. HackerRank tool is there. In this HackerRank, we are giving some tools. So using that tools, you can able to practice the programs also. Okay, for this batch, a separate link I will provide. I will share that link also. So you have to open this link in your laptop or mobile or tablet. Sir, you can able to practice that programs in that tab also, even mobile also, no problem at all. Okay, so with your registered email ID, if you practice that score also, you can able to view, you can able to compete with others also. Okay, sir, this is nothing but what is our main course, and this course is highly recommended for the students, those who are studying second year, sorry, third year or final year, pre-final year, final year students. Make sure that these coding classes will give, sir, high impact on your placements, sir. This is nothing but the overall course details what we have. Yes, now whatever queries you have, yes, you can feel free to ask. I will clarify all your doubts, then we will go to the next step. Any doubts up to this, please confirm. Yes, if you are having any queries, please let me know. If you want 1 minute, I will unmute you, you can able to ask your doubts. Yes, please. If no doubts, please acknowledge me in the chat window.
Sir, may I speak?
Yes, please.
Sir, I have a doubt of that data structure because I'm not having a grasp knowledge in that.
Yeah, see, data structures in detail is not required. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Basics is sufficient. Basics is sufficient in the sense, theory concept, at least you should know at least some 5 to 6% of data structures. What is mean by data structure, what operations we can perform. So that much complexity won't be there, no worries at all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. What is the validity of these recorded videos? These recorded videos will be accessed, you can access from up to 7 months. 7 months validity will be there. Okay. Yes, any other doubts? I request everyone to please respond in the chat window. If no doubts, please acknowledge me.
Sir, may I know what is the very minimum data structure should get?
Nothing, sir, nothing. Arrays concept you should aware. At the same time, searching and sorting is required.
Array search and sorting. Okay, sir.
Yes, remaining things are also required, but I will teach you there itself. Suppose we are using linked list. So
Yes,
that
yes.
linked list only in Java we are using that, not in C language. So at the time I will cover what is mean by linked list. So what operations we can perform on the linked list at a top level. What is our requirement? Based on that, I will brush up. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you have any reference for fundamentals? Not required, Rohit. At the time of class explanation itself, at very beginning stage, we will start very slowly, sir. Okay, per day one program, sometimes two programs, because uh, if any program is there, sir, which is working for if conditions, means I will introduce if condition, so and so this is the if condition. You have to change you have to write the condition here, and this is nothing but a true block, this is nothing but false block. If you supply a value, if you supply b value, how this if condition is going to work. So at very first usage, I will give the clear details. But second time onwards, you have to understand. So that fundamental you can able to get in my first very few programs itself, Rohit. Okay. Any other queries? Shall we continue next process? Please confirm. Yes, requesting everyone to please respond. Very good. Sir, let me go for the next level what we have. Sir, how to solve this hacker rank? How to solve this hacker rank? So observe carefully. Suppose I want to show you one small example hacker rank link, because in that we can practice something, sir. 1 minute, please wait. Sir, just to have a look once. I'm giving some demo link. Okay, sir, you have to connect with this URL, http double colon slash, sir, sorry, www dot, sir, hackerrank.com. Hackerrank.com. This is the website. In this LBP test, it is nothing but a demo link, sir. This one is nothing but a demo link. So of course we will get permanent link after our regular classes. Okay, once if our regular classes started, then you will get it. Sir, now you have to open the browser. In this browser you need to type this thing, sir. You have to type this URL. Just click on enter. So automatically you are going to get a hacker rank page like this. Okay, so you have to enter into the contest. So enter into the contest. Sometimes if you have any Gmail ID, it will continue. If not, you have to log in with your Google ID, no problem at all. Okay, sir, this is nothing but details of this contest. So complete details will be there. So you have to challenge, you have to open these challenges and you have to practice. Okay, so you can see simultaneously leaderboard positions also. Sir, success rate 80% of the students solved this program. Sir, attempted 125 members but solved 100 members. Sir, maximum score for this is nothing but 1 point. Difficulty level is medium. You can see the leaderboard positions also, those who are solving the programs. Anyway, it is a demo, that's why not required. So all the student details will be there here. Those who are solving the problems, every student detail will be available here. Okay, like this. So you can see some points here. Some people are getting 12.67, some people are getting 13 points, some people are getting 30 points, 67 points. Like this, based on the test cases, it will be there, sir. Okay, now, sir, I want to solve this first problem. What is the numbering that I have given? LBP number 001. Sir, this is the first program that we have. Okay, so let me click on try again. Sir, this is nothing but the program. What is a program, sir? Here, implement a program to check whether the given number is even number or odd number. You have to write a program to check whether the given number is even number or odd number. What is the input format here? Sir, an integer value you have to supply as a input. That means what? In the program, while reading, you have to read what type of data, sir? Integer data you have to read. Is it greater than or equal to 0? You have to check manually. Okay, compulsory that number must be greater than or equal to 0. Constraint means what? Condition. Okay, then what is the output format? You have to get either even message or odd message or invalid. When we will get even, that you have to think and you have to implement, sir. Okay, we know very well. So when we are going to get odd number, if the given number is odd, you have to get. When we will get invalid, suppose if the given number is negative number. Sir, for negative numbers, my application won't run. In such cases, what will happen? You have to print invalid. Sir, I got some idea about this problem statement after reading this problem statement, after analyzing the input format, output format, even constraints. Sir, if anyone seeing implement a program to check whether the given number is even or odd, directly we should not write the program. Remember carefully. Okay, you have to understand what is the problem statement. Every program is not like academic programs. Okay, sir, then some test cases they have given array, if input is 12, you have to print the message saying even, including the case you have to print in this format only. Sir, 13 means the output which we are expecting is odd. Suppose if input is minus 12, the expected answer is invalid. So all the cases are covered or not? Yes. This is nothing but what is the problem. Okay, so like this you have to read the problem, then some coding area is provided for you. Here you have to type the program. If every program is clear, you can run the code. If you run the code, what will happen? It will check whether this program is validating the sample inputs which you have given on the screen. If it is working for these sample inputs, then you can submit the code which will check the final test cases. If your sample code is not working properly, you have to redesign the program. Suppose some test cases are working, some test cases are not working. Sir, I need to check by taking my own input. Yes, you can do that. You can click here, you can apply your input and then you can run. It will give the options. And here you can see, sir, if you click on this drop down button, okay, you are getting 4 languages. Have you observed here? You can implement the program in C language, you can implement in C++, you can implement in Java, you can implement in Python. But in my classes, you can expect C language code, Java code, and Python code. Okay, so here you have to type the program and you need to submit. Sir, once if submitted everything, I will explain one by one problems. Then I will paste these things, sir, in the running notes. I will show you previous batch running notes. Okay. Sir, sometimes I will explain with the help of these logics also in the diagrammatic manner. Have a look once. Sir, not for all programs, only for few programs at very beginning stage, because for understanding the logic like this. So this is the program one, how you can able to check everything with the help of examples. I will explain and then I will implement the logic. Then I will go to the implementation only for a few programs, and some programs demands compulsory you have to explain with the help of a paint. So if you take this one, you can able to see it is some chessboard is there. So based on the color, you have to print some value like this one program is there. So how you can able to draw that? Okay, next some programs will be there with clear explanation. I'm going to give solutions by using paint like this. Okay, so this is nothing but the running notes what we have you observed? All these programs are there. Have a look once. So some programs I will explain, one or two programs. Yes, you can see here all the programs you will have. Okay, problem statement, inputs and constraints with example I will explain. Then what is the C language code for that? What is the C language code for that? I will type and then I will execute, then I will copy paste the code. Then for the same program, what is the Java code that we have to take? For the same program, what is the Python code? Sir, after watching this video, okay, you have to practice the programs, so from your system. So day to day activity we have to do, sir. Like if I explain 2 or 3 programs today, you have to practice these 2 or 3 programs on the same day itself. If 1 or 2 days plus or minus 1 or 2 days is okay, but you have to finish within that week. Okay, at very beginning slowly we will go, but speed you are going to increase. So in 2 to 3 levels. Okay, because explanation of entire program is very difficult task. That's why at the beginning, if you are very good at fundamentals, everything will become very easy for us, right? So hope it is very clear for you people. Sir, do you have any doubts on about our course plan? Please confirm. Someone is asking, sir, what is the fees for this batch? I told already it is 2000. Even in the link it is there, 2000 including the videos and running notes. This is nothing but the fees, sir. 2000 rupees. Timings are 10 to 11. Okay. Yeah, I will explain, Rohit. I will explain in all the three languages: C, Java, and Python. So which is very understandable for you, you can choose that one as your approach. Even in the coding rounds in the companies also, they will give you a choice for you to implement the program in any language. See, our ultimate goal is nothing but, if you are getting any problem, how to solve that problem, that thinking capacity, that logic building you have to understand. That is the title of the course, logic based programming. Clear? Sir, I am requesting everyone to please confirm. Any doubts up to this, friends? If you are having any queries, please ask your queries. You can unmute yourself, and then you can speak. Any doubts up to this? No, no. It won't be continued, Rohit. It won't be any confusion, won't be there. Okay. There won't be any confusion because similarity will be there. See, the if condition which you are using in C language, same if condition only you are going to use in Java. Same if condition you will use in Python, but syntax may be changed, but not that flavor. Okay. You can, if you take mango in this season, it is very very good fruit, right? If you take mango, sir, mango juice can be available in different formats. Okay. Like it will be available in the form of maza, or it will be available in the form of slice, or some in the fruit juice shop you can able to get. Sir, n number of things are there, but the concept used for that is the same or not? Yes. In the same way, if condition you have to use for this. Yes, if condition is the same in all the languages, but maybe the syntactical wise you can able to get differentiate. Suppose if you are feeling that it is a confusion, leave that programming language, concentrate on one implementation. That will be fine. Okay. Rohit. Fine. Sir, tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. Tomorrow I am going to talk about, sir, the data types used in C, Java, and Python. What data types we are going to use in all these three languages. Next, and after that, sir, what are the input and output statements? What are the input and output statements in C language, Java, and Python? These fundamentals are very very important. These fundamentals are, sir, very very important for this programming. Very very important, right? That's why I am going to cover these two topics in tomorrow's session. At the same time, we will try to solve logic based programming 001. What is the title of this program, sir? Already you have seen, right? Even or odd number program. Okay. How to solve this program, we are going to discuss. So these three activities we are going to take from tomorrow. Sir, this is the regular class only. Again and again repetition won't be there. So today is the first class, tomorrow is the second class, like that. Almost 4 to 5 demo classes will be there. Then you have to make a payment and you have to join. Okay.